5.
This call is now being recorded.
I have sent you exercise yesterday. Unit 5, natural disasters. First of all, we will discuss actual exercise. First question with answer Savalia Chris.
Okay, sir. Question number 1. Can the disaster maintained in this unit be called as geographical events? Why? Yeah, answer. Yes, the disaster maintained in the unit can be called as geographical events because all the natural disasters like earthquakes, tsunamis, volcano, landslide, famine, etc. occur on the surface of the earth naturally.
Very good. Whatever the disaster we have discussed, can we call them geographical or why? First thing, can we call? Answer is yes. Because they are natural, not man-made. That is why these all, such as earthquake, tsunami, volcano, landslide, famine, etc., which all are disaster, all are natural, and so that we can say them geographical events. Very good. Second question, Rabadia Dey.
Yes, sir. Question number 2. How can you get information about disaster from government? Answer. We can get information about disaster from the government by calling, letter or email to Gujarat State Disaster Management Authority, block number 11, 5th floor, Udyak Bhavan, Gandhinagar, 382017. 23259220. Fact 07923599275 and email info original.
Yes. Now, about disaster, how can we get information? The first thing is we can contact or call. Where? It is government organization. We can call them, email them, write letter, phone, etc. The name is Gujarat State Disaster Management Authority. This is the name of institution. Now address, block number 11, 5th floor, Udyog Bhavan, Gandhinagar. Then after pin code is given 382017. We can write letters to this address. Besides this, we can call on 07923259220. We can also fax 07923259275. And if we are going with electronic media, we can email on info@gsdma.org. These are the way to get the information about disaster from our state government. Very good. Third one is Dabhi Pratap. Listen, here is two questions are there. One is textual and second one is think question. For both, answer is here. Yes, read Dabhi Pratap.
Yes, sir. Number 3. What are the advantages of living in a volcanic region? How would you like to live in a region of volcano? Why? Answer. Yes, I would like to live in a region of volcano because as the soil is very fertile.
Beta, manage your mic.
Okay, sir. As the soil is very fertile, I can get huge amount of crop. I can get many kinds of minerals such as lead, mercury, zinc, tin, etc. I may find diamonds in the region. There are hot water springs in some of the volcanic regions, which are useful to cure skin disease. Number 4.
Very good. Now, volcano region. Can you live or would you like to live? You can answer yes as well as no. If you answer no, then you will discuss about negative point. Have it destroyed? If you are answering yes, then answer is here. Yes, I would like to live in a region of volcanic. Why? Because as the soil is very fertile because of volcano, inner soil comes out and so that it is too fertile and we can get much amount of crop. Second thing is in volcanic region we can get different types of minerals such as lead, mercury, zinc, tin, etc. Besides this, precious diamonds can be found in this region. And one more reason is because of this, hot water springs may occur, which is used for many disease, skin disease. Very good. Next question, question number 4, Ganatra Siddhant. Yes, Siddhant.
Sir, I did know Ganatra Siddhant.
Yeah, Ganatra Siddhant, read.
Okay, sir. Question number 4. Your friend's village has been affected by flood. What will you do to help him? Answer. If I found my friend affected by flood, I will provide him basic things like food, medicine, clothes, etc. as soon as possible. I will provide the necessary instructions to him. I will help him to clean his house and resettle with the help of others. I will contribute what I can to help him and other people.
Very good. Now here is question to you. Everyone would have different answer. It may be possible. You would have different answer. The question is, your friend's village has been affected by flood. Now if you are in city, as Jaipur is a city, a nearby village, your friend is living there, it is affected with flood. You have information about it, knowledge or whatever it is. Now, what will you do for him? How will you help him? Answer is, if I found my friend affected by flood, I will. Now points are given. First thing, I will provide him basic things like food, medicine, clothes, etc. as soon as possible because due to flood, there is water amount or gathered in the house. Preparing food is almost impossible. Medicine, clothes are destroyed. So we should provide this. Second thing is, I will provide necessary instruction how to protect himself, how to live in that area, what the case should he take, etc. This kind of information I would provide. Next point is, I will help him to clean his house and resettle with the help of others. This is an important point. I would help him to clean his house because water gather in the house. Mud is there. So many other waste come with water inside the house. Means house is too dirty. So help him to clean his house, resettle him. And here one word I use, with the help of others, because one man can't do everything. He can start, no doubt. But for everything he needs the help of others. See, similarly, I would also take the help of others. Means others means from here you can take your friends, you can ask social service providers, institution, you can ask government authorities, etc. And this way you can help. Next point is, I will contribute what I can to help him and other people. I will contribute what I can do from myself. If we are too rich, we can provide them everything. If we are not enough rich, we can manage everything for him. And this way we can help our friend. Very good. Next question. Question number 5. Is over. Okay, then I have to repeat. Savalya Chris.
Okay, sir. Question number 5. Which appears experience landslide from more frequently? Why? Answer. Generally, landslide occurs in the area of heavy rainfall in high regions. It is because surface of the rock can broken down due to the heavy rainfall or an earthquake.
Very good. Which area experience more frequently landslide and why? Generally, the area where there is heavy rainfall as well as hilly region or mountainous region. In this area, landslides occurs frequently. Why? Because the surface rock break down because of heavy rainfall or earthquake. And due to this, it is possible. Very good. Next question. Oh, many names are there. Davesh Riya.
Yes, sir.
Continue, beta.
What efforts should be made to prevent drought and famine from occurring? The following efforts should be made to prevent drought from occurring. We should grow more trees, we should try to prevent pollution, recharge frequently, dams and should be built to store water. We should take proper steps to increase groundwater level. We should recharge rivers and dams of dry region by canal.
Very good. Now famine, drought, duskar. To prevent, what should we do? What efforts should we make? What activities should we do? Here, a list of them. First one, we should grow more trees because, as we know, tree brings rain. So we should grow more trees. Second one is we should try to prevent pollution. As we know, because of pollution, uncertainty of rainfall occurs. So we should try to prevent pollution. Third point is wells, step wells should be recharged frequently. Recharge. How can we recharge? We can merge rainwater into wells and step well. And this way we can recharge them. By this thing, we can also increase the ground level, groundwater level. Besides this, dams and check dams should be built on the river so that we can store water and we can use when there is scanty rainfall or no rainfall. Fifth point, we should take proper step to increase groundwater level. Groundwater level, how can we increase? Recharge step well and wells, then grow more trees. This way we can increase the level of groundwater. Next point, we should recharge rivers and dams by drying region by canals, as in Gujarat, by Narmada Canal. Suppose in Aji, Bhadar, in many dams of Saurashtra, refill by Narmada Canal. This way, we can recharge river and canal. In Ahmedabad Sabarmati River, after monsoon, it recharged by Narmada Canal and flow for more time. This way, we can recharge rivers and dams. Very good. Now, textual blanks. 4 blanks are there. Ashnani Ansita.
Yes, sir. Number 1. The origin of an earthquake is known as hypocenter. Second, the forest resources get depleted due to forest fire. Number 3. Often cyclone strikes in the coastal regions of India. Number 4. Due to landslide, Konkan railway gets frequently obstructed.
Yeah, 4 blanks, textual blanks. Then extra we will discuss later. The origin of earthquake. When earthquake starts, it is called hypocenter, or in other words, we can say epicenter. Epicenter is another word to use here. Here I did not write, but you can write nearby it. Second one, the forest resource get depleted due to forest fire. They destroyed because of forest fire. Third one, often cyclone strikes on. Cyclone comes from sea or mass area of water, and so that we can say coastal region of India. Now landslides in India, Konkan railway station or railway line got frequently obstructed by landslide. Now think question. First question, it will read by, the names are repeating, Jadeja Nandini Ba. I told you to write only once in comment.
Yes, sir.
Continue, beta.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, think question, read whatever present on your screen. Quick
Yes.
answer.
How can you be helpful to others if there is an earthquake in your area? Answer. I, I can be helpful to others as following. I will provide residency for them. I will supply food, fresh water, medicine, etc. I will offer
Consolation,
and encourage them. I will provide financially assistance
financial,
financial to the. I will also help them to get refunds. I will help in reduce operation. I will provide every possible help to them.
yes. Where there is earthquake in your area, when it is occur, suppose you are safe, your family is safe, because our first duty is to help and protect ourselves as well as our family. Then, now how will you help others? Some points are here. Provide residence for them. Suppose if their residence fallen down, we can provide them. Second, if residence has fallen down, he has difficulty or problems for food, fresh water, medicine, etc. So I will provide them food, fresh water, medicine. Third one is I will offer consolation, encourage them. મને આશ્વાસન આપીશ. Consolation, encourage them. Next one, I will provide financial assistance. Yes, he lost much thing or everything. I would provide financial assistance. What I can. I cannot say that I will rebuild his house, but whatever my capacity, according to it, I will provide finance assistance. Besides this, I will also help them to get refunds, as government declare refunds when there is natural disaster. I will help them to provide to get this refund. Next one is I will help in rescue if they are inside the home or at any dangerous places. I will provide them rescue and try to make them out or danger free. Last one, I will provide every possible help. Every possible. Here I want to use the word possible. Means what I can do, I will do everything for. Very good. Second thing question. Yeah, now no new name. Labaria Dev.
Yes, sir. Question number 7. If your house is near the seashore and the government warns you about the tsunami, what will you do for your protection? Answer. If my house is near the seashore and the government warns me about the tsunami, I will follow the following steps. First, I will care for my valuable things. Second, I will follow all the instructions given by authorities. Third, I will be away from sea coast. Fifth, I will take the benefit offered by government and NGOs.
Very good. Now, if you think your house is near seashore and government warns about tsunami, what will you do for your protection? Here some steps are there. First thing, take care of valuable things, valuable documents, jewelry, etc. Second, follow the instruction by government, central government, state government or local self-government. Whatever the instructions are given, I will follow. Next one is, I will be away from sea coast. If the instruction is there, leave the home. At that time, I will go as far as possible from the sea coast. The next, I will take benefits, whatever the benefits offered by government or NGO. NGO means non-government organization. Sevabhavi Sanstha. I will take the advantage of them, benefit of Very good. Now, test